Welcome back, students. In the previous two videos, we learned about how we can connect the MySQL local database with Power BI. We understood how we can connect the Google Sheets with Power BI. We understood how we can connect the Excel, CSV, or text file with Power BI. In this short tutorial, we will learn how we can connect Power BI with Google BigQuery. So in order to connect Power BI with Google BigQuery, we need to go to the Get Data option, click More, and then write Google BigQuery. You can see we have an option of Google BigQuery here. You need to click it and then click Connect. Once we connect it, you just need to click OK, and it will ask you to sign in into your Google account. You will click Sign In, and it will take you to the browser. I will sign into my account here. I will allow the Power BI desktop to access my Google account. You can see it is saying that the sign in complete. You can return to the application. So I can return here and click connect. Once I connect, we will wait for it to connect with Google BigQuery and fetch all the databases that are present in my Google BigQuery. You can see these are all the databases that are available in Google BigQuery, but we will be connecting the public datasets that are available just for the purpose of demonstration that how we can connect the database from Google BigQuery with Power BI. For example, I want to import the data of Austin bike share database into Power BI. When I want to load both of these tables, I will click load. Once I click load, we have an option of import and direct query. In the previous videos, I explained that what is the difference between import and direct query. You can go back to the video of connecting MySQL with Power BI. In that specific video, I have explained the difference between both. We will import in this case and click OK. Once we click OK, it will fetch the data from bike share stations and bike share trips tables into this Power BI report. We can see it is creating a connection. 102 rows are loaded for the bike share stations. For the bike share trips, the data is still being loaded. It might take a little bit of time because whenever we try to connect the Power BI with a data source that is online, it always takes a little bit more time compared to the database that is present in the local system. And the data loading time also depends upon the size of data set that we are loading. Here we can see that the rows are going up and up. These are more than 100,000. So we can always follow the same procedure that we have followed for this publicly available data set that is already present in Google BigQuery. So for example, if you have created a database in Google BigQuery for any of your project, you can always uh, follow the same procedure that we have followed for this specific database to import the data from Google BigQuery into Power BI and perform the required analysis on it and create a dashboard for business intelligence. Now you can see that the data here is very huge because the number of rows have exceeded 550,000 and it is still loading. However, the bike share stations has only 102 rows in this case, whereas the bike share trips has a lot more rows compared to the bike share stations. You can see it has loaded now more than 1 million rows, and it is still going on. This means that the data is pretty large. The rows have exceeded 1.7 million in this case. It is still going on. 1.8 million now. So the data loading process is completed, and we have checked that about 1.97 million rows are being loaded for the trips table. We can always go to the data view section and view our data set. This is the bike share stations data column, and this is the trips column. So that is how you can connect the your Power BI report with a data set or a database from Google BigQuery. This is all for this video. See you in the next video.